Guys and girls, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-inch impact with a D handle drive. This particular unit comes with a couple of batteries and a charger. This is model 286822HD. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started here. Let's get this unboxed and see what comes with. Oh wow. Alright. This is heavy. Pretty nice. Look here. Look at the bag. Nice bag, huh? Embroidered Milwaukee name on it. Heavy duty. It's got some pockets on it. Alright, so let's unzip this and see. Oh, yeah. The edge of this is like a frame around it, so keeps it rigid there. So it looks like it comes with some instructions, an operator's manual. As you can see in here, it's packed very well, so it's got a lot of good thick cardboard packing. Let's get the actual tool itself out. Now guys, this is a big boy. This impact wrench will definitely do the job. This thing weighs about just the impact wrench alone weighs about 22 pounds without a battery on it. Look at that. Is that not a horse? Look at this ring. This ring's for a shoulder strap. That gives you some kind of idea how heavy this is, to use. This, you can use these on 18-wheeler wheels, removing and changing flats, heavy-duty trucks and stuff. This is a brushless motor, so this is a brushless tool here. Anyway, let's go on and see what other parts come with it. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a Milwaukee fast charger there. And looks like some more instructions. We'll put that over there. Take these out. And a couple more. And some, I'm guessing these are probably the batteries. Get them off out here. Okay, so I've got the batteries out here. They've got them in Ziploc baggies here, so to protect them. Now this is a heavy duty 12-0 battery. Now, this is a horse here, buddy. And check it out, pops right on. You notice it has the LED lights right here in the end of it, so that if you're using it at night, it lights up the work area. I really love that. That's great. The nice rubber handle here, and it looks like you can, it has an adjustment here on the side, so you can loosen this, and I guess it just is to remove it. I thought maybe it moved the handle left and right, but it doesn't. It just is like a ring that goes around the frame of the actual impact wrench here. So I'm going to tighten it back up. Get that like that. All right, and it does come with 2 of the batteries. Take this one out. And you can see it's a quick slide on. And I thought maybe, I don't know if I missed it. I thought maybe it might have come with a strap, but doesn't look like it did. Okay, well, no strap, but you could definitely make a strap or get your own strap to hold that. It's pretty heavy, like I said. Another feature here I wanted to show you is on the top here. It has a switch that locks it so that if you're carrying around, you actually pull the trigger, it won't you know, it won't go off on you. And then you got a forward and a reverse, and then the middle is the lock. It also, if you look right down here on the handle, you have some different power stages, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you can set it with. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like the button that changes the, you know, how much torque it is on it. And then, you know, the batteries mount directly here on the fast charger. Just slide right on. And let me slide that off. It's the first time in on. There you go. It just sits like that. Nice and guys, this unit here, you know, it has 2,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque to it. It has 1,900 pounds of tightening torque on it. Like I said, this is a bad boy right here. You know, this is not something that everybody uses, but it can be used in construction and or, you know, for heavy equipment operators that, you know, use a lot of heavy duty bolts, 1 1¼ inch. This has got a 1-inch drive on the end of it with the D-ring. Really like that. You know, with something as heavy duty as this, there's no compressor needed, no hoses to drag around. So like I said, you can take that thing out in the yard. It does have some software that you can download a mobile app, and or you can download you can go to the Milwaukee's website, and there's a site where you can do some different management of this tool and track it and make sure that, you know, you'll know who's using it and how long it's been used. And I'm going to show you some of that later on in the video.
Okay, so I wanted to show you Milwaukee's little short clip on how to set up your OneKey for the Milwaukee heavy duty 1-inch impacts. So let's take a look here.
Welcome to OneKey. In this video, we'll show you how to add a nearby OneKey enabled device. To get started, log into OneKey. To add a OneKey enabled tool to your inventory, you will first need to make sure that the tool is connected to an M18 battery and is within 30 to 50 feet of your mobile device. From the main menu, open your inventory dashboard. Select Add Item. Tap Nearby Devices to pull up a list of OneKey enabled tools. If you're having trouble finding your tool, tap the tool image to activate the light on the tool. You can also use the serial number on your tool for reference to make sure you add the correct tool into your inventory. Select the description of the tool to load all of the information applying to that tool. From here, fill in the information that applies to you. Be sure to save your changes when you're done. You have now successfully added a OneKey enabled tool to your inventory. To learn more, visit milwaukeetool.com/OneKey.
Butter again. Like butter.